Guys, welcome to my channel. And I'm going to share some helpful tips with you guys. And one of the things that matters the most is that do not, do not, do not let people decide what you want for your life, because there are so many people out there. They feel, oh, the way your life is going, it's not going in this direction. Why not we try this thing? And for you, that might not be your thing. Do you get? And that might affect you a lot. That might affect you a lot. So the first step is you finding your path first. Once you found your path, it will be very easy for not just anybody to convince you to just do anything. So you know what you want to do. You know the steps you are going to take, and you are going to make that decisions. In today's world, you have to be able to stand for what you want. You have to be able to know what you want for yourself. You have to be able to decide and take steps that, oh, this is my life, this is my decision. Nobody's going to make that for you. Nobody's going to make. If you fail to make a decision for your life, other people's decision is the world you are going to be living, because they will decide the kind of world you live in. They will decide the kind of life you live. They will decide the kind of things you do, unless you take charge and be in charge of your own life. Because if you don't take charge and responsibility for your life, people will actually do that for you, and it's going to be a mess, because it's going to be you living in another man's world instead of you living in your own world. Do you understand? So you have to decide that, okay, this is my life, this is my decision to make. So those decisions are actually on the kind of books you read, on the kind of associations you keep, on the kind of things that you decide to do with your life, with yourself, and with your time. Do not waste time doing unnecessary things. Do not waste time mingling out when you are supposed to be reading. Do not waste your time playing football when you are supposed to be writing a project or learning a skill or doing something. Do not waste your time hanging out with the wrong set of people when you know that there are plans for you. There are so many things you have to do and keep in check. So do not waste your life out, guys. Do not waste your life out. Time is life. So if you can make good use of your time, if you can maximize good use of your time, it's actually going to help you a lot in gaining the right steps, in gaining the right things to do, in gaining the right attitudes to work. So you have to understand the time factor. The time factor is very, very key. If you wasted your time, it is going to be very, very difficult to redeem those times. Though it's redeemable, because there's a wrong saying that I don't really agree with, that once opportunity is lost, it can never be regained. Sincerely, in the world today, there are over 1,000 opportunities that you can key into and click into until you get to your own opportunity. If you have missed one before, there are several others you can try, except you are lazy. Another thing you must not do is that you must not be lazy. Get up, keep on moving. When you don't feel like it, keep on moving. This is not motivation. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm just telling you the right things to do. When you don't feel like moving, when you don't feel like doing anything, that is the time you have to really take steps. That is the time you have to really refire. They say it inspire to acquire your Maguire. I'm not saying that. I'm not those motivational guys. So, but what I'm trying to tell you is that take charge, be in charge. We need generations of young people who are not basically chasing after the 9 to 5 job, who are basically standing on their own. Why? Because they make good use of their time. They learn skill while other people were wasting around their time. They bought courses, they learn new things, they acquire new skills. So why don't you take charge of your life? Learn a new skill, get a course, make good use of your time, interact with people. Don't just be in your own shell and in your own coven and just be there. Interact with people, learn a new skill, get courses, learn new things, go on YouTube, search different niches on how to make money online, how to be financially independent, because we are not too young to do great and big things. It is only our mindset that limits us, because once you are saying 100k a week as impossible, then how are you going to make 50k a week? How are you going to make 30k a week? So it all starts from the mind. Once the mind can think big, then it is easy for the body to move. But once the mind is thinking small, then the body will remain small and be in the small locality. But once the mind is explored, once the mind is big, when the mind is big and is ready to make moves, then the body will follow suit. So decide on your life what you want to do. Decide on the steps you want to take. Don't just be that guy, that lady that is just there living life. Mommy will give me money, daddy will give me money. That is not the life we're called to live. There is more. There is abundance of wealth in the internet space, but it's left to you to make the move, to go out there, learn a skill, get from the money pot because it is much. So it's all for you to just go out, learn those skills, and I'll be listing them shortly. There is Amazon Kindle publishing, there is affiliate marketing, there is copywriting, there's virtual assistant. There are different things you can do online to actually make money. You can be a graphic designer, nobody stops you. You can be a content writer, nobody stops you. So now you see that the actual sense of a 9 to 5 is becoming very useless, because these things don't really make sense again. When you can sit at the comfort of your home and earn $1,000 a month, that is over 520,000 naira. You can earn $1,000 a month from the comfort of your home, because you have a digital skill that most of Nigerians don't have. Because we are all thinking the school mindset is that go to school, acquire a job, and get paid probably over 100k per week. There are some affiliate marketers that make close to 150,000 naira per week. So you don't just have to waste your time and sit around and just gallivant and pretend as if nothing is happening. You can go into cryptocurrencies, trade Bitcoin, learn something. Don't just be comfortable with the being comfortable in a low life is a bad idea. Come out, there is more for you. So it's just left to you to decide, oh, this is my life. I'm going to take steps. I'm going to make moves. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. Have a plan. Make it realistic enough. Make it chaseable enough. Then follow it to the letter. Follow it to see that, okay, I'm achieving this bit by bit. Then that is how to grow. Sometimes you don't have the money. Yes, you don't have the money to buy those courses. Yes, go on YouTube. There are over 1,000 videos, over 1 million videos, over 15 million videos. You can learn and grow and improve yourself. So do not give an excuse for you not learning. There is a saying that if you learn, you will earn. But you cannot skip the L in the learning and go to earning. You will repeat the class. You go back from earning to go and learn, then you start earning again. So you have to first learn before you earn. Thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Love you guys.